You guys can probably tell that something's a little different. You saw me pull the Porsche out. That's because today's going to be an awesome video. It's our first guest on the channel. It's my good friend Josh. He's going to be pulling up with his very cool R33 GTR. And it's going to be a turning point for this channel. It's our first guest, and we're going to have, many guests come in the future. So this is just the first of many. And I got a shout out to the subscribers. You guys got me over 500, so I am going to get that GTR, or not the GTR. Well, maybe, who knows. I am going to get that GT3 next year. But I need your help, guys, because I don't want to get rid of my Cayman. So the next step is you guys need to get me monetized so that you can buy me a GT3 versus me buying a GT3. I will buy it with my own money. I will deliver as I promised, but that Cayman is very special to me. Me and my wife got married with that car, so I want to keep it. But me, my whole brand is not spending money, spending as little money as possible. So that means that I would have to get rid of it to get that GT3. So get me monetized. I'm going to get the GT3 either way. Get me monetized so I can keep my Cayman too. And yeah, shout out to you guys, because this channel is getting bigger, like way faster than I ever imagined. And, I was watching it, so you'll see the video coming out today. Me and my wife went to Mexico. I was watching the channel every day, just watching subscribers grow. It's been so fun. Like every morning I wake up and I have 20, 30 new subscribers. So yeah, this is only the beginning. We're going to keep posting content. We're going to keep growing the channel. We're going to keep getting guests on. And, the ultimate vision for the channel is going to be, I want to build your cars. I want to build my friends' cars. I don't want to build my own cars. I have the cars I want. I have the things I want. I have the money to do the things I want. And at this point, I want to give back. So to do that, I need your guys' help. So now I'm no longer begging for you not to subscribe. You guys already killed it with that. I'm begging you to subscribe. So, this is the turning point. Smash that subscribe button, share the channel, especially if you're in St. Louis. The vision is, I'm starting with St. Louis first. I'm going to build up my community. So if you're from St. Louis and you're not subscribed, I guess you don't want your car built for free. I guess you don't want free parts on your car. That's your fault. If you are from St. Louis, please subscribe, because you could be first. I have a few people in mind on who's going to be first, but ultimately I want to start building up everyone's cars around here. So yeah, that's the plan. And look forward to Josh's GTR coming in, and I'm excited. Might be able to hear him pulling up right now. This thing is so clean, guys. Oh, is he gonna scrape? Is he gonna scrape? Oh, he scraped! I knew he would. He didn't angle it. We gotta get an exhaust clip. Well, I won't be able to hear for another week now. So is this thing midnight purple or what?
Yeah, it's Midnight Purple 1.
Midnight Purple 1?
Yeah. So with Midnight Purple 2, it kind of gets more of the blue and the gold into it.
Okay.
So this is Midnight Purple.
Well, first let's introduce who you are.
A little bit.
There we go. No, it's perfect.
Okay.
So this is Josh. We don't say last names on this channel unless he wants to. Is that okay?
I don't care.
This is Josh Hill.
Yep.
He's been in the car game for how long?
Since I was 15.
He was one of the first guys that got me into cars, because I saw him in your silver, what year Subaru?
My 2008 STI.
This 2008 STI. I used to see him blasting around the streets just as loud as this car. And I was like,
loud.
That thing was so cool to me. And I was like, I looked up to him whenever I was like just getting into cars. So
people always thought it was V8 swap because it was so freaking loud.
It sounded awesome.
It was
that
straight down pipe catless. It was loud.
And here you are with this.
Yes.
So, I mean, how many years later is this? I mean, when did you have that Subaru?
That was 2009, right when I graduated college.
So yeah,
that was like a graduation present.
Almost 20 years.
Yeah.
So that was your first like cool car.
I mean, my first car I ever owned was an '88 RX-7.
Okay.
That was my first car I owned as.
So he's a car guy through and through, guys. Like, there's no doubt about it. Like, and this thing is just incredible. I mean,
I grew up watching Initial D. I grew up playing Gran Turismo, Need for Speed, and watching the Fast and Furious movies. So it's like,
and here it is, the full circle on that, because this is a car that would be an Initial D. I don't think they ever did have an R33.
Nope, they had the R32 and the R34.
Yeah, the R33 is like the forgotten stepchild of
it's the
GTR family, but like it shouldn't be, because I mean, look at it. This thing is incredible.
Honestly, this is without this car, you wouldn't have the R34.
Right.
Everything that was the R32 was great. This made a better platform off of that, because this created all the small negatives that were about the R32. This fixed everything about that car. This
People
car
just don't like the look of it.
Oh, it's all bubbly. Well, that was
it has the Impala taillights or whatever, but it still looks awesome.
Or Maxima taillights.
No doubt. So right-hand drive, obviously.
It's different.
Yeah.
I mean,
is it hard to drive that in the States?
Not in the States technically, but it's like it's just getting used to like
with the lanes being set up and everything for left-hand drive.
I prefer it actually after driving so long for on the right.
That's just because he owns an ice cream shop, guys.
No, that's not the reason.
No. He owns an ice cream shop, and the drive-through is on the right-hand side, so that's why he likes it.
Building was there first. I couldn't change it. But like driving this on the right-hand side of the car is like it takes a little bit getting used to. But once you get used to it, you actually prefer it more like this than you do driving on the left-hand side. The thing about driving stick shift with the left hand, though, is like instead of like pushing away from you to go into higher gears, now you're pulling towards you.
Right.
So that's like the only thing you kind of get used to, because you keep want to go, kind of want to go far away. You
get used to it quick, I feel like.
You do. I still find myself trying to like the second to third shifts are still kind of pain in the ass, because it's a different feeling.
Yeah.
Other than that, it's fine.
But yeah, you've had it for how long now? Like 6 months? Something like that?
About 3 months.
It's ride height, though, guys. I mean,
listen.
You guys can flame them. What is this? What is this?
I get almost whole fist on that thing. I like usability, not slam and can't get over anything.
Are you not going to lower it any more than this? I mean, you guys saw him scraping the driveway, so...
I'll talk about that.
Oh, it's caught in 4K, I'm sorry.
Damn it. I will probably lower it about an inch just to give a better
Is it on coilovers already? Or?
Yeah, it's on Blitz coilovers. I have a guy who's selling me a pair of HKS Hypermax coilovers, so they ride a lot better than what these do.
You can install them yourself?
Oh, yeah.
Just wait on it, guys. We'll install it. We'll install it on the channel.
Good. The coilovers, I'm waiting for the guy to come back into town. He's somewhere in Texas, so he's going to ship them from Texas. Turbo kit was supposed to be delivered today, but I changed it so I can at least go pick it up.
Oh, we got all kinds of videos coming with Josh's car here.
Oh yeah. I mean, other than that, I don't think I'm doing much because I like the way.
Did you paint correct it when you got it? Because this paint looks immaculate.
Nope.
Like somebody took care of this car.
I had ceramic coated and paint corrected, yeah.
Oh, you paint corrected it, yeah. I knew somebody did. Looking at this paint, like you guys probably can't tell on camera. Everything looks good on camera, but like the eye check right now, like not a swirl in sight. Like the front end doesn't have any rock chips at all. Like somebody took care of this thing.
There's a few here and there, but like it's just from driving for what, almost a 30-year-old car.
How many kilometers are on this car?
165,000 kilometers. So about
that's over 100,000 miles, isn't it?
Yeah, close to it.
Or right
at it.
Wow, that's a lot. Like this car doesn't look it at all.
No,
like this thing. Look, you could have told me it had 50,000 kilometers, and yeah. So I mean, he's had this car for would you say 6 months?
About 3 months.
Yeah, 3 months, and I haven't had a chance. We were both busy guys, so
work.
Haven't had a chance to link up and talk about his car. But I mean, it really is a shower. I didn't realize like how nice it was going to look until you pull in, and I was just like,
you should know how picky I am with my cars.
Yeah, for sure.
Every car I pick, I am very picky about how it looks, the paint, how everything about it. So if I'm gonna go spend a lot of money for a 90s car, I want it to be. I know I'm not chasing perfection.
I mean, this is as close as you're gonna get though to perfection
without spending an arm and a leg.
Right. Without spending 150 grand on a 20,000 kilometer one or R34.
Or even like one that's been like completely frame off. Everything recorrected, painted.
This is a driver.
Coated.
This is a driver that still shows.
Exactly.
This is my favorite kind of car. To
I like this. This is not sit in the garage. It gets driven.
Yeah.
And that's the whole point. It's like I'm not gonna daily drive it, but I'm gonna drive it on nice days.
Well, I see him on Facebook. He's always posting pics. He does drive this car, guys.
Dude, every time I turn around, I cannot help but not look at it.
I'm amazed looking at it right now because I mean, like you got a couple fingerprints on it, but like otherwise, this thing is like totally spotless.
It acts like a black car at that point. You know it's purple. it's still in
And
all
this
route, it's a
light, you
black
can
car.
see the purple.
Yes.
But like, yeah, I imagine.
Like if you stand, with that angle and everything, you can see a lot of the purple, but the paint still reacts as a black. So if you try and wash it in the sun,
swirls like crazy.
swirls,
spots.
or even like the water
I'm
spots.
familiar with the black. Yeah,
Yes, yes, you are. That's why it's one thing I just couldn't get away. It's like I don't like black cars, but it's like this color is absolutely gorgeous, and I couldn't get away from it.
Yeah, so I mean, we're gonna go camera off the tripod here and open the hood up and really look around it. So, so what mods do you know have been done to it already, and have you done anything to it yet, other than the paint correction?
I actually changed out the catch can because they had like a cheap eBay, Amazon one in there just for giggles. I did the new this catch can is with arc style. I did the strut tower bar because I was not going to spend an arm and a leg for JDM OG.
I don't know. You got a Blitz strut tower bar. That seems like you probably did spend some money on it.
$300.
$300 for a strut tower bar. Some might say, "Look at this guy. You can tell he's rich."
No. Nismo's strut tower bar is $1,500. It's titanium.
Okay, yeah, well, okay.
Exactly.
Well, this $300 doesn't sound too bad.
My point.
Definitely an aftermarket turbo.
Oh yeah, so it's a top-mounted turbo kit with Borg Warner 6258 turbos on it. This motor is from an R34, so the block and everything's from an R34. They tore it apart, built the bottom end, pistons.
This engine is clean too.
Yep.
Is that the factory finish on like the valve covers and everything?
Yep. That's the factory R34 valve cover finish. So they had this, and they also had like the champagne color them.
Yeah.
So, red was the red top finish on those. And so built bottom end, fuel mods, most of that, but these are just a complicated mess of just twin turbo ness, and I don't want to deal with it.
Are you going single turbo?
Big single, yeah.
Big singles for big power. How much power does it make now? Have you dynoed it?
It's on 20 pounds of boost, it made 490 horsepower.
That's a lot of power for
a car weighs this much.
Do you know how much it weighs?
About 33.
Yeah, that's pretty light for that amount of power, guys. This is probably a rocket.
It is.
This is going to be a separate video, but we're going to go for a drive in it. And he's probably going to scare me because I know this guy can drive. So
just a little bit.
Don't get in too much trouble.
I can't make any promises. But like all this plumbing for like to run this twin turbo kit, you actually had to tap into the thermostat housing, run a line across which sits really close to that freaking belt.
And all this was already done when you got it?
Yes. So
and you're going to rip all this nasty mess off, put a big single on it, get 600 horsepower, be the fastest GTR in St. Louis.
No.
Well, there's not many GTRs in St. Louis. Who's faster than you?
There's a bunch of R35s.
Oh, well, we're not counting those guys. Those guys don't count. You know that. That's a different thing.
That's a supercar.
That car, yeah, this is different. You have to make these fast. Those GTRs
There's
come
a
fast.
handful of R32s in the area that are really well built and really a lot of horsepower, but
we're going to take a look and show all its imperfections. This is just bugs, guys. Like, I mean, really, very little actual chips. You might find maybe a new scrape mark where he,
right there
on the way in.
But there's already spider cracking from this and that. But it came that way. So
it's a driver. It's a driver.
It really is.
And like you said, nearly 100,000 miles. And I mean, you would not guess it. I mean, look at the rest of the paint. We'll get up close here. You can just see. Like, not only, like, was it nice when he got it, but he definitely, like, made it even nicer, guys.
Yeah, Auto Vitality is actually the one that did all the ceramic coating and the paint correction.
And these wheels, when are we going to get some better wheels?
What's the point? The only thing you're doing is changing a name.
Yeah, I guess. But we need something a little bit more lightweight than this.
I mean, they're not too bad.
I'm just dogging them because this car, I got to find something wrong with it.
It came with the car. I can't complain.
You got good tires, though. That's for sure. You got tires that are ready to grip.
Oh, yeah. I did buy Anke PF01 Evos, but they're a 10.5-inch wheel, and I don't like the way that the tire, like on the 9.5, it does like bulge because it's like a meaty look to it,
right? As
opposed to on the 10.5, it stretches, so it has that taper up top.
Oh, yeah, and if you run a bigger tire than you're rubbing, I guess.
Correct.
And I'm sure it grips fine with this, especially with those tires.
It doesn't even care. The Atessa all-wheel drive system in these cars are phenomenal. As long as you know how to handle how the all-wheel drive kicks in, you're fine. There's one of my buddies basically was going around a corner, decided to shift. Well, you basically went from all the power, threw all the power away, shifting, re-engaged the power, and it went into a freaking tree.
Oh, wow.
So you just gotta be careful on how you handle the all-wheel drive system. Other than that, yeah, the thing grips like none other. It does not care.
Let's open it up, take a quick peek inside. You guys, this thing is just as clean inside. 100,000 miles. I mean, he needs a little vacuum job, but other than that,
I have Huskies. What do you expect?
yeah. I mean, for 100,000 miles, I mean, this car doesn't show it at all. This is a very nice car, guys.
And the best part about it being a 90s car is the fact that you're not chasing perfection. Like, you're not going to get all
Nobody's
butthurt.
going to get up here and expect like a concourse car.
Yeah, they're like, oh my god, it's a show-ready car. It's not. There's rock chips, there's scratches, there's swirls, there's minor things here and there, but it's like...
There's swirls? Where? Show me the swirls, guys, because I don't see a single swirl. Where's the swirl
I got a few rust spots here and there, but like I said...
Where's the rust? I'm really gonna dog this car in the video, guys. We gotta find everything wrong with it.
Is that a little more?
You know what? This guy doesn't care about his car at all. You can tell because it has that one little spot. Got an aftermarket wheel in here too.
Yeah. Had a different Momo leather wheel in there, but I didn't. It was like very decrepit.
Is this one of those gauges that does multiple different readouts?
Yeah. So this is on a standalone Haltech. So that cable basically runs straight to the Haltech, and I get all the information. Whatever the ECU sees, I can see.
Nice.
The funny part is, so that gauge cluster alone is $3,000, just because it's an JDM Nismo retro styling.
I feel like everything on this car you're getting taxed a little bit.
Yes. So
not going to stop you from throwing on a big single turbo kit and making more power. And
like I said, I'm not power chasing though. I'm probably gonna be on about 550 just to make
which is plenty of power.
It really is.
It's already got enough power.
I mean, I already walked a Hellcat, so I can't say much.
That's probably all we're gonna have for this video, guys. Just stay tuned for the next one because we're gonna get this thing on the road, and he's gonna scare me. And you know, we got past our 500 subs, and we need 1,000 subs now. We need you to monetize us so that, you know, I can start building your guys' cars. Like I said before, you know, I have everything I want. I want to start building up the community around me. This guy doesn't need any help, but I know some of you guys in St. Louis do need some help. So I'm looking forward to that. You know, once you get me monetized, I'm going to be building your guys' cars so that you can have a car just like this one day.